The past 2 weeks, both kinetic and non-kinetic operations were conducted in the various theater of operations, with significant results recorded. The brief will therefore cover operational activities of the Armed Forces of Nigeria and other security agencies conducted in addressing the various security challenges across the country within the period 9th to 23rd February 2023, starting from the Northeast Zone. Troops of the Joint Task Force Operation Hadin Kai in the Northeast Zone of the country conducted various offensive operations in villages, mountains, roads, and towns in Goza, Bama, Gubio, Biu, Dikwa, Mongunu, and Kwanduga local government areas of Borno State, as well as Mubi in Mubi local government area of Adamawa State. Several raid, fighting patrols, and ambush operations were conducted to curb the activities of terrorists and other criminal elements within the joint operational area. Notably, between 8 and 13 February 2023, troops, while acting on credible intelligence, ambushed Boko Haram and Islamic State of West African Province terrorists at locations within Goza, Mafa, and Bama local government areas of Borno State. At all these locations, troops made contacts with the terrorists, during which 10 terrorists were neutralized while others fled in disarray with gunshot wounds. Troops exploited the general areas and recovered 6 AK-47 rifles, 38 rounds of 7.62mm special, 71 rounds of 45mm ammunition, 50 rounds of 7.62mm NATO, 5 den guns, 4 AK-47 rifle magazine, 4 motorcycles, 2 pairs of desert camouflage, 28 bundles of mats, clothing materials, medical supplies, and Bafeng radios, among other sundry items. Equally, troops, while on fighting patrol between 9th and 21st February 2023, made contact with Boko Haram and Islamic State of West African Province terrorists at villages within Goza, Jere, and Bama local government areas of Borno State. During this engagement, brutalized 7 of the terrorists, while others fled with severe gunshot wounds. Troops also recovered 2 AK-47 rifles loaded with 10 rounds of 7.62mm special ammunition. Other items recovered are 3 den guns, medical supplies, mobile phone, motorcycles, clothing materials, among other items. Furthermore, between 9th and 20th February 2023, troops arrested 11 Boko Haram and Islamic State of West African Province terrorist logistics suppliers at several locations within Borno and Adamawa State. Items recovered from them included assorted clothing materials, medical supplies, large quantity of items suspected to be hard drugs, livestock, 138 jerrycans of premium motor spirit, and other sundry items. Also, on 11 February 2023, troops on fighting patrol responded to a distress call on the activities of terrorists in Malam, Maja, in the Dikwa local government area of Borno State. However, the terrorists fled on sighting troops. The general area was exploited and troops rescued 20 abducted civilians. Consequently, within the weeks in focus, troops in the Northeast Zone of the country recovered 17 AK-47 rifles, 9 den guns, 12 AK-47 rifle magazines, 86 rounds of 7.62mm special, 71 rounds of 45mm ammunition, and 145 rounds of 7.62mm NATO. Other items recovered include 132 jerrycans of premium motor spirit, 6 motorcycles, 1 vehicle, medical supplies, livestock, 28 bundles of mats, assorted clothing materials, mobile phones, and other sundry items. Troops equally neutralized 27 terrorists and arrested 18 logistic suppliers spies and informants of the terrorists at different locations within the theater, as well as rescued 20 abducted civilians, while a total of 252 Boko Haram terrorists and Islamic State of West African Province terrorists and members of their family, comprising 24 adult male, 79 adult female, and 150 children surrendered to own troops at different locations within the theater of operation. All recovered items, rescued civilians, and apprehended suspects have been handed over to appropriate authorities for further action, while the surrendered Boko Haram and Islamic State of West African Province terrorists and members of their families are being profiled for further action. Relatively, the air component of Operation Hadin Kai conducted several air interdiction operations against terrorist enclave and logistic base in support of the ground troops. Notably, on 13 February 2023, following intelligence report that revealed the gathering of some wanted terrorist top commanders and leaders who had assembled at Mandara Mountains to re-strategize on their terrorist activities. Consequently, an air interdiction operation was carried out at the location. Feedback revealed that the airstrike dealt a massive blow on the terrorists, as several of the terrorists were reported to have been neutralized, including some key commanders, while others escaped with severe injuries. A similar operation was conducted in Wuye Fishing Pond area of Borno State, following the sighting of about 50 terrorists in the general area. The location was subsequently bombarded and several of the terrorists were neutralized in the airstrike. Equally, on 19 February 2023, an air interdiction operation was conducted at identified terrorist enclave at Tumbuktu Triangles in Damboa local government area of Borno State. The operation was carried out following intelligence reports that revealed the stockpiling of weapons and supplies at the Timbuktu Triangle to sustain the Islamic State of West African Province and Boko Haram terrorist activities. It was further revealed that the location is one of the enclaves from which the terrorists launched attack against the Maiduguri Damboa general area. Hence, the location was bombarded, and reliable feedback revealed that several of the terrorists were neutralized and their weapons and structure destroyed in the airstrike. In the same vein, another air interdiction operation was conducted at identified Islamic State of West African Province terrorist enclave in Baraga and Dogon Chukum, both in the southern and northern Tumbus, on 20th February 2023. At these locations, intelligence revealed that terrorists were converging and massing up to plan attacks in the general area. Consequently, the location were targeted and bombarded. Reliable reports confirmed that several of the terrorists were neutralized in the airstrike. Now to the North Central Zone. Troops of Operation Safe Haven, as well as other operations in the North Central Zone, have sustained the offensive against terrorists and other criminal elements in their general area of operations. In furtherance to this, operational activities were conducted at different locations and villages within Jos South, Wase, and Pokos local government area of Plateau State. Other locations, as well as other locations within the theater of operations. Notably, within 16th and 18th February 2023, troops on patrol responded to a distress call on the kidnapping incident at Kwanyam Fulani along Jos Abuja Road in Jos South local government area of Plateau State. Troops mobilized to the location and engaged the criminals in a firefight who fled. Troops searched the general area and rescued 10 abducted civilians. Troops equally engaged some criminal elements in Yerwan Nono village in Bokos local government area of Plateau State who fled in disarray, during which 4 civilians were also rescued. Troops also responded to robbery activities at Anguldil village in Jos South local government area of Plateau State on the same day. Troops mobilized to the location and made contact with the criminals who equally fled. Troops mobilized the general area and recovered one fabricated rifle, one pistol, and 76 rustled cattle. Troops also, on 9 February 2023, while on the checkpoint duty at Katsina Ala of Benue State, intercepted a vehicle and arrested 2 suspected gun runners. Troops recovered 1 FM rifle with a fully loaded magazine, 1 pump-action gun, a motorcycle, and 3 mobile phones. Accordingly, within a week in review, troops recovered 1 FM rifle with a fully loaded magazine, 1 pump-action, 3 locally fabricated rifle, 5 rounds of 7.62mm special, 4 locally fabricated pistol, 3 motorcycles, 8 mobile phones, 7 bags of substance suspected to be Indian hemp, 76 rustled cattle, and other sundry items. Troops equally neutralized 1 criminal, arrested 18 suspected criminals, and rescued 14 abducted civilians. All recovered items, arrested suspects, and rescued civilians have been handed over to relevant authorities for further action. Now we look at the northwest zone of the country. Troops of Operation Hadin Kai and other operations have continued to sustain their dominance over the menace of terrorists and other criminal elements in the northwest zone of the country. Precisely between 9th and 12th February 2023, troops on fighting patrol responded to information on terrorist activities in Giwa, Bereningwari, and Zango-Kata local government areas of Kaduna State. In these operations, troops made contact with the terrorists, and following the firefight, troops neutralized 5 terrorists while others fled with gunshot wounds. Troops equally exploited the general area and recovered 3 AK-47 rifles, 1 locally fabricated rifles loaded with 37 rounds of 7.62mm special, magazine carrier, 3 motorcycles, mobile phones, among other sundry items, while 7 abducted civilians were also rescued during these operations.